Yeah, what's up everybody? We are back, part 2 of this powder coating oven build, and we're actually already kind of reversing. So I made the frame a little bit too big. I made it as big as I wanted, then I didn't order enough metal for it. So we're gonna make it a little bit smaller. Basically we're starting from square one. We're gonna go ahead and cut these sheets of 18 gauge steel. We're gonna cut it down. So we've got 6 4x4 pieces. Then we're gonna take one of those 4x4 pieces and cut them into 4 1-foot strips. What this is gonna allow us to do is have an oven that is 4 feet deep, 4 feet wide, and 5 feet tall. And that's going to be the size of our oven starting out. We're waiting for the PID controller and a couple other pieces to get here today is when they're supposed to be here. So the plan is to go ahead and get this cut down. We're going to cut them all first and then go ahead and take the old frame apart and go ahead and cut things that we need. Go ahead and get as much framed up as we can. Probably going to need some more metal studs. So we'll run to Home Depot and grab some of those. Possibly the insulation so we don't have to make 2 trips. We might actually wait till it's fully done to get the insulation. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump to cutting. First part with the cutting and stuff will probably be time lapse, as we'll have the air compressor going and it'll be very loud and very hard to hear, plus this tool as well. Yeah, let's get to rocking. So we've really actually had pretty good luck with Harbor Freight tools until now. Broke this piece, which locks the cutter in place. Okay, and it's broke. You can see it sheared it right off. So we're gonna have to go, since this isn't even 30 days old, we'll be able to just take it right back, exchange it for another one. We might see if they have a little bit bigger one that we can get, just because I know that there's some handheld ones. The thing is bigger means it will probably need more air, and we're having a hard time running this, cutting this steel with this air.
What gauge is that?
This is 18 gauge. We'll go ahead and just get a new one of these, bring it back. I'm sure it'll work just fine. If it breaks again, we'll know to step it up to the next one. Yeah.
Dude, that was going. Now back up from it and let it go.
Yeah, what's up everybody? Just got back from Home Depot. We got the insulation that we need. It is the fire resistant up to 2,000 degrees. Or above 2,000 degrees, and it is professional grade mineral wool. That's what you need. You don't want to go with fiberglass. Professional grade mineral wool. All of that right there was actually less than 100 bucks. Then we went ahead and got us 10 more studs. We knew that we were going to need between 6 and 8 more. We want to make the roof braced very well so we can hang stuff from it and have some brackets to hang stuff from it. So, with that being said, we are now going to go ahead and start cutting again, as we got our new replacement cutter. So we'll go ahead and see if this works and get ready to start getting this all put together. Before 9 o'clock tonight is when the PID controller and the other piece for the heater is supposed to be in. That way we can hook the PID controller to the heater and make it turn on when it needs to raise the oven to temperature, and then turn off when the oven is at temperature. So we'll get all that set up when that stuff comes in. The goal is to have the oven put together by the time it comes in, and then once it comes in, we'll go ahead and slap all that stuff on and hopefully be cooking parts tonight. Yeah. Yeah, what's up everybody? So, we just broke a second one. That's
We
right.
just got it.
Just broke it.
Harbor Freight Tools just ain't keeping up. What is this, Central Pneumatic?
Yeah, usually they do. They keep up pretty well, but this seems to be the only tool that we have issues with. Now, we did have 6 cuts. We made it through 5 1/3. Literally, that's like all we have to cut left that we need this for. So we're gonna take it back at another one and make sure we can finish this up. Yeah. So what's up, guys? We just went to Home Depot. As you can see, we got the insulation in the back. We got 2 more in the trunk, so it can't close. And then the studs are like right over the shifter. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. Rip it. All right, everybody, we are back for the 3rd time. This is the 3rd tool today. We gotta finish this cut, and then once we get it all together, we're gonna have to cut one more hole out of this steel to put the heater through, or put the ducting through for the heater. Hopefully, the last one made it through like 5 or 6. Hopefully this one will go ahead and make it through at least that much. What's up, everybody? So what we're gonna do is, we're not gonna be using the original frame that I was putting together, so we're just gonna go ahead and drill these rivets out. That way we can cut these down to a length that we're gonna go ahead and use.